In this video, you will learn how to add a tweet button to WordPress the easiest way possible by using the SeedProd WordPress website builder. It's the best way to create WordPress websites with our drag and drop website builder, loaded with features to create almost any type of website. SeedProd has two ways of adding tweet buttons to your page, by using the social share block or by using the Twitter tweet button block. Let's get started. So right now I have a completely clean installation of WordPress and I just want to install SeedProd quickly. So let's go ahead and go to seedprod.com, or you can click the link in the description below. And once you're on the SeedProd website, you can go ahead and check out all of the different features that are available. We have a great features page here, and the pricing, if you're curious, you can click on Get SeedProd Now and select the plan that makes the most sense for you. There is a SeedProd Lite in the plugin store if you want to try that out. In this video, I'm going to be using the Pro version. So after you have an account with SeedProd here, let's go ahead and click on Login. On the left-hand side, enter your email address and password and click on Login. And now we want to click on the Downloads tab here. It's the second from the left. And we'll go ahead and download SeedProd Pro. Great. We also need the license key here in the bottom left-hand corner. Let's go ahead and click the little icon here to copy that to clipboard. And then we can close this tab. Back in WordPress on the left-hand side, let's go to Plugins in the menu and Add New. And at the top, you'll see a little button here called Upload Plugin. Let's go ahead and click on that. And we'll see Choose File. You can click on Choose File and select the zip file that we just downloaded. Or if you're using the same browser or similar, we can click and drag and drop this right here and click on Install Now. Next, we can click on to activate the plugin, and SeedProd is going to ask you for the license key. We can paste that right here and click Verify Key, and you should see a green success message. I'm just going to close this tab at the bottom of my browser, and now we're ready to set up a page. So now we can create a landing page, or we can create a full website with our theme builder. And then this will allow us to put a tweet button on either of those pages or different pages that are available. I'm going to go ahead to the theme builder here. We also have these theme template kits. So if we click here, you can see all of the themes that come with SeedProd that you can import instantly to get a fantastic head start. So to keep it simple, I'm just going to use the starter theme for this. We'll click the check mark here, and this will import all of the theme templates. You can see we have our home page. We have the single page template, single post template, sidebar, footer, header, and our global CSS, which we can modify the colors and styles and fonts. Now, if we visit the front page, we won't see any changes yet because we haven't enabled it. So we just click the little toggle here in the top right. This is going to do some settings for us. It's going to change and update some settings for our home and blog pages. So we'll just click OK. And when we refresh the front page, you can see this brand new website that we can now totally customize however we want. So generally when people add tweet buttons, it's usually on blog pages. So we can click on blog, and we have a little sample post here that we can go ahead and modify. So with the SeedProd website builder, we have templates. We don't actually edit each individual blog post. We just have one template called single post that we can update. So let's click on edit design here. And here we can see the template for this post. So every single post that is on your blog will use this template. So you can change the layout of things, you can change where the title is, the colors, absolutely everything that you can think of. So the first thing we want to do is look for the social sharing. And on the bottom left, we have social profiles. We don't want this one. This is just to show the links for your social profiles. We actually want the social sharing here. Let's go ahead and maybe I'll add this to the bottom of our page. This is the author block. We have the title, date, and info, the actual blog post, and then the author. I think maybe we could add this right underneath here. And then we have the buttons here that you can share and tweet. By default, it comes with Facebook and Twitter. And we can just click on the cogwheel here to add a label if you like, or to add the tweet text here. Great, and that's really all there is to it to start sharing a tweet button on your pages where people can click on it and tweet that out on their Twitter accounts. We also have Add New Share, and this has a LinkedIn and a Pinterest here as well. You can completely customize this, so we have the small size, medium, or large, and you can change the alignment if you like. You could put these in a column instead, so you could have a little message here saying, please share on social media, and then it would point over to the buttons if you like. If you don't want Facebook, you can remove that as well. Great, we also have the second one here. So if we do tweet, we'll type in the bottom here, we have the Twitter embed tweet. We don't want that one. What we actually want is the Twitter tweet button. And here, this one we could maybe put at the top of our blog post, and you can see the little button here. I'm just going to remove this one for now. We can click here to edit the option. We have the size, small or large. Here's a preview of the large version. I'll just leave it to small for now. Here's the URL. We have an option for text, any hashtags, the via, related, and alignment. So we can change the alignment here if you like. We also have the language if you want to change that default language. We also have advanced options here for spacing. So if you want to put a little bit more spacing around this, say you need some, probably not that much. And then we have attributes. So you can add a custom class for your custom CSS, as well as the device visibility. Maybe you don't want to show this on desktop. You can see that that's grayed out because I'm using desktop, or maybe you want it hidden on mobile. So if I switch to the mobile preview here, you can see that that's grayed out and it will not show on mobile devices. Let's swap back to desktop. And I'll just leave it on for everybody right now. Once you're happy, you can go ahead and save this, and we can come back to our blog post here, and we can refresh the page, and you can see that we have a tweet button on here. And then if we click that, we'll be prompted to tweet that onto Twitter. Now that you know how to add tweet buttons to WordPress, maybe you'd like to check out these videos on how to create animated text in WordPress, or how to create beautiful image galleries in WordPress. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.